The most efficient way to find a multi-bagger stock or a mega trend in the stock market is by spotting a disruption in an old established industry. One such disruption is happening in India's industrial construction space right now, and that is the pre-engineered building segment, also known as the PEB industry. So what do these PEB companies actually do? देखो अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे चल रहा है इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज, पहले तो आर्किटेक्ट डिज़ाइन बनाएगा, उसके बाद लेबर फाउंडेशन खोदेगी, उसके बाद तुम शटरिंग करवाओगे, शटरिंग के बाद रीबार बांध के कंक्रीट डालोगे, कंक्रीट डालने के बाद क्योरिंग का वेट करोगे. तो बेसिकली द एंटायर प्रोसेस इज प्रीटी टीडियस, लेबर इंटेंसिव, and most importantly weather dependent. On the other hand, PEB is a steel structure or a building which is almost entirely designed, manufactured, pre-cut inside of a factory and then assembled on site using bolts and cranes. Now let me tell you why this is a real disruption in the industrial construction space. First is the speed. PEBs are significantly faster. Let's say if a traditional industrial construction is taking 10-12 months, PEBs can do the same thing in 5 to 7 months. Second is cost efficiency. These steel parts are fabricated using CNC machines and they were designed using a software, so it is of utmost precision. So there is zero material wastage and even the labor involved is 40 to 60% lesser. That is why in industrial projects the cost comes down by 20 to 30%. Third is quality and precision. PEBs are engineered using softwares manufactured from machines. That means the quality is consistent everywhere. And lastly, a PEB is environment friendly and requires much lesser maintenance because steel structure है तो crack वैक भी नहीं होने वाला है. So all in all aspects, a PEB is better than an RCC when it comes to industrial construction, especially something like a data center facility or a solar power plant or a semiconductor plant. And there is massive capex going on in all of these segments, especially in our country. In the listed space, you have 4 players: EPAC Prefab, MNB Engineering, Pennar Industries, and Interact Monarch. I'm not invested in any of these stocks, and this is no buy-sell recommendation, but this is definitely a sector to track very closely.